This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone is updated and online, and you know your Apple ID credentials. Tap Settings, then sign in to your iPhone. This starts iCloud setup. Enter your Apple ID email and password when prompted, and follow the verification prompts because two-factor authentication protects your account. Once you complete sign-in, iCloud options will appear. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi for backups and large syncs, so uploads don't eat your cellular data or stall during initial sync. Once signed in, you choose what content syncs to iCloud. This is where you control storage and privacy. Tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle services such as Photos, Contacts, Calendars, Keychain, and iCloud Drive. Enable iCloud Backup to preserve device settings and app data automatically. Backups run on Wi-Fi when locked and charging. If Photos is large, use Optimize iPhone storage to keep device space free, while originals remain in iCloud. Finally, check Manage Storage to confirm your plan and upgrade if you expect more than the free 5 GB. To finish, verify sync across apps. Open Contacts, Photos, and Files to confirm items appear. Force a manual iCloud backup via Settings your name iCloud Backup. Backup now to capture current data. If something fails, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi, then restart the iPhone. A reliable troubleshooting step is signing out of iCloud and signing back in after a restart, which refreshes tokens and resolves most sync or authentication errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.